Your solution to the challenge should look something like this. The first step is to create a web context class that implements the servlet context attribute listener, as specified in the challenge. When you have this, Java will automatically ask you to implement certain basic methods, so you should have done so. Next, we need some way to reference the servlet context, so I added the line private servlet context equals null. Then, within each method, I added a line defining the context as arg0.getServletContext. Strictly speaking, this reference is not necessary for this challenge, but it's good practice to maintain a reference to the context. If you are going to expand or modify this code at any point in the future, then you would almost certainly use this context. Finally, monitoring and printing out the code as it changes is actually very simple. arg0 is a reference to the attribute event for the servlet context, and one of the pieces of data it stores is the value of that attribute. If the attribute was added, then it stores the value of the newly created attribute. If it was removed, then it stores the last value of the attribute. If it was changed, then it stores the value to which it was changed. For all three cases, we can print out arg0.getValue to immediately reference the correct value for this argument. If your solution looks something like this, then you have correctly completed this challenge.